My name is Bird. My name is Gray Bird. I am a turd bird. Want a cookie? Want a cookie? Wait for Dick to walk by.
Thank you.
Cookie? She's not going to do it this time. Are you mad? Are you in a bad mood?
You get a cookie from Mommy.
Just a minute ago when I handed it to her, she said, cookie? Or cracker? I can't remember what she said now. Cracker?
Hi, Gray.
Gray Bird. Gray Bird.
What do you want?
Hi, Gray Bird. Didn't you play? Oh, now you're going to do the nervous thing. Yes. Too bad. So sad. I'm glad. Yes, look at that. That's a toy. That's a toy. Woo! Woo! You're so brave. Oh my God. Becky, look at that gray bird. She is so sexy. I'm a model. You know what I do? How about you sing? My name is Gray Bird, and I'm a stripper. I'm a stripper, and I pull out my feathers because I'm a sexy stripper. Yes. I'm a stripper. La da 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 da. Let me show you my boobies. Look at Gray's boobies. I see your boobies. What? You're so silly. You're so silly. What do you want, Paul? Oh, you want me to give the attention back to you, huh, Gray?
She does.
Yes.
Too.
Yes, you want the attention, don't you? Say, my name is Gray. I am a stripper. You want to see my boobies? No, 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 no. Don't do that to your wings. Come on, I'll take you. Let's go for a walk. Brrr. She gets nervous of the phone when I put it by her. Want to go for walkies?
No problem.
Walkies up on the play stand. There you go. Yay. Yay, another spot.
Oh, get
Yay.
down. You don't belong up there.
Yay. Who are you talking to?
Oh,
Where is he?
up on the stove where it was.
We're going to have cooked Paul.